was on my grind and now I got what I deserve. Fuck nigga. Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. When I wrote the ass tomorrow, y'all thought it was ready.
Looking, firing, intercepted. Picked up by Cooper DeJean. Gets a block. DeJean is in. Touchdown.
You know, it's the trap.
Testing. What's going on, gang? Hold up. What's going on, gang? I don't even have to say it. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, like, you know why I'm happy. Go Birds. Fucking go Birds. Hey, yo. That was one of the